Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the next topic, that is refraction of light. Have you ever wondered why a pencil which is kept or dipped in water appears to be bent at the interface of air and water? Will the pencil appear to be bent to the same extent if instead of water we use liquid like kerosene or turpentine, etc.? So to understand these things, we will be studying today's topic, that is refraction of light. We are going to understand what causes refraction of light, and then we will be discussing about laws of refraction, Snell's laws, what is a refractive index, and maybe few numericals. So let us start with refraction of light. Why this bending takes place? Why pencil appears to be bended in water? Yes, dear students, we are going to start with refraction of light. Here you can see few examples. One of the example is that a cup, clean glass cup is given to you, which is filled with water, and a pencil is dipped inside that glass. Now you can see that on the interface here the pencil seems to be slightly bent. And there is second example also, where a glass slab is given to you and light is being passed through this glass slab, and you can see that the path of the light is not the same. It is bent at the interface, here also as well as here also, slightly bent. Here is another example. Again, a glass slab is given to you. You can see a ray of light which is incident at the surface of the glass slab, and at the interface the light seems to be bent in a particular direction. So the path of light is not a straight line in this case. Therefore, the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. Here you can see that the pencil seems to be bent at the interface of air and water. So when light passes from air to water, what happens? It bends toward a particular direction. Same way here also, this is a glass slab. When light passes from air to glass slab, again it bends. Okay, so the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. In this case, you can see clearly that the first medium is air, second medium is glass, and again the third medium is air. So a ray of light is entering from air to glass. What happens here? When it enters from air to glass, it bends towards the normal. Here if we draw a normal, you can see that this light ray is bending towards the normal. In same way, when the same ray comes out from glass to air, that means from one medium to another medium, again it bends. But here you can see when it is coming from glass to air, it is going away from the normal. Therefore, the bending of light when it is passing from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. Now we know that refraction of light is bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. Now why this happens, why it takes place, why light bends? The answer is that light travels at different speeds in different optical media. So light travels with different speed in air, it travels with different speed in glass, it travels with different speed in water. Therefore, the bending of light takes place. Now, let us start with Snell's laws. There are two laws given by Snell. The first law is that the incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lies in the same place. This can be understood with the help of the example given over here. We have a glass slab, that PQRS is a glass slab. Upper part of the glass slab is air. Second medium is glass. Third medium is again air. Here at this point O, we have drawn a normal. Normal is a line which is drawn at an angle of 90 degree to the given surface. So surface is PQ and normal is drawn to this surface here at point O. Let us say a ray is incident at point O at an angle I to the normal. So angle of incidence is I. A ray is incident at point O. Now what will happen at this point as the ray is coming from air and entering into the glass? What will happen? The ray will bend. Now in this case, ray is bending towards the normal as the speed of light in glass is less than speed of light in air. Therefore, the light is bending towards the normal. Glass is known to be a denser medium, optically denser medium, while air is known to be optically rarer medium. So in rarer medium, speed of light is more. In denser medium, speed of light is less. Therefore, when a ray of light is incident from air to glass, the ray will bend toward the normal. This is the normal, ray is bending toward the normal. Here at this interface, what is taking place? Now the ray is going from glass toward the air. Now it is moving from denser medium to the lighter medium. Hence at this point, the ray of light will move away from the normal, as light at the denser medium moves with slow velocity, but when it comes to the rarer medium, it moves faster. Hence, this ray of light will move away from the normal. So now let us start with the laws of reflection. You have here incident ray and normal and refracted ray. Now can you see this ray over here? This ray is known as refracted ray, where refraction takes place, where bending takes place. That ray is known as refracted ray. So this is incident ray and this one is normal over here and this is refracted ray. All these three things, incident ray, normal and refracted ray, lie in the same plane. This is known as first law of refraction. And second law of refraction is that the ratio of sign of the incident to the sign of refraction is a constant quantity. And this law is also known as Snell's law. So Snell's law is that the ratio of sign of angle of incident to the sign of angle of refraction is a constant.